Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a favicon or site icon to your WordPress website in just a few minutes. This small but powerful change can make your site look more professional, improve your branding, and help visitors easily recognize your website on browser tabs. So let's get right into it. First, let's quickly understand what a favicon is. A favicon, also known as a site icon, is that tiny image you see next to your website name on browser tabs, bookmarks, and even mobile search results. It's one of the simplest ways to strengthen your brand identity and give your site a polished, trustworthy look. Now, let's walk through the steps to set it up in WordPress. Access your WordPress dashboard, head over to your WordPress website. At the top right corner, you'll usually find a login button. Click on it. If your WordPress account is connected with Google, you can simply choose Continue with Google. For quick access, once you're logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. Go to the Settings section. From the left-hand menu, scroll down until you see the Kiki Settings Widget option and click on it. Inside Settings, look for the Site Icon or Favicon section. This is where you'll upload your icon. Upload or select your favicon. Click on Change Site Icon. You'll now have two options. Either upload a new image from your computer or choose an existing one from your media library. Make sure your favicon image is clear, simple, and recognizable because it'll be displayed in very small sizes. Here's a pro tip. WordPress recommends using an image size of 512 by 512 pixels for the best display across all devices and browsers. Save. And apply the changes once you've uploaded or selected your icon. Click Set as Site Icon, and then save your changes. That's it. WordPress will automatically apply your new favicon site-wide. Verify your favicon. To make sure everything's working perfectly, open your website in a new browser tab or refresh your current page. You should now see your new favicon right next to your site name, a small but impactful touch that enhances your brand's visual identity. And that's it. Your favicon is now live. A small detail like this goes a long way in building a strong, consistent brand image online. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick WordPress tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.